All right, welcome to this user test of Fubar, a fictional bar finder that has been created in Adobe XD. And thanks for helping me conduct the test. Your goal today is to look for a bar, specifically a hippie bar, and see if you can get through the app or not. It really will help if you can tell me things that aren't working. Actually, it'll help more to tell me things constructively, to critique it, to make it better, than to just give me pats on the back. So you can say anything from comments on the design of the interface, to the typography, to the images, to the links, or if there's any confusion in what you're seeing. Feel free to comment on them in this upper right hand box. So I'm going to let you go ahead and get started, and so you can go for it. By the way, it does scroll. So if you want to try a scroll, you can just move the button. No, there's a little scroll. Oh, I thought it would scroll. There it goes.
Oh, okay.
There it goes. So.
Okay, hippie bar. Okay, so it's showing me there's 3 hippie bars where I am. Okay, let's see. Price looks good. Don't want anything too expensive, but I want quality. So rating does matter. So let's give it high ratings.
Now, what if you were going to choose a bar? Do you think those 3 variables are good variables?
Yes. I think so for me, just because you don't want to go to like a dive bar where there's, you want it to be nice, but price, you don't want things to be overpriced. Ratings, I always look at the ratings, because if people are giving it a good rating, then there's something to be said about it. I'd be more inclined to try it out and see.
Okay.
So distance is important. I live on the south side, so I'm going to automatically choose this one on Abercorn Street. So.
And why would you choose that one?
Well, it's closer. I'm more familiar with that neighborhood. I don't go downtown that much. I'm not really near the Victory Drive area much. I work on the south side. I live on the south side. That's my area.
Okay. A question for you. If you were going to choose a bar, which are the bar choices that are in the window? Are they obvious?
These bars are.
I'm talking about like an actual hippie bar. What do those icons mean to you?
Oh yeah, absolutely. Well, it's telling me this is me, right? This is where I am now.
That's right.
And it's showing me there's 3 hippie bars in this area.
Okay,
so
great.
I have the choice to go Fifth Avenue, which that looks downtownish to me. Victory Drive area.
No, that's not an actual map. That's true.
Yeah, but just if it were, I think it's doing a good job as far as showing me the location of these bars, what neighborhoods or what areas they're in, and how far I feel like going out that night. If I'm meeting a group of my friends, this would be good, because we could all decide on this together. We could say, oh, look, there's 3 hippie bars in our area.
Well, which one do you think which one's closest to you, since being close was important to you?
The Abercorn Street one.
All right. If you would, how would you find out what bar that is, actually?
So I would click on number 3.
Okay, good.
And see what it pulls up from there.
Sure. So let's see what it pulls up. So tell me what you're seeing, what type of information.
Okay. So it pulls up Velma's. It looks like it's 0.5 kilometers away, which is good. Dollar signs, looks like it's medium price area. So I would say that would be reasonable. and it gets a 4-star rating. So I'd like to try it out based on what other people are saying.
All right. Well, based on what you're seeing here, what would be your inclination to find out a little bit more about wellness? What do you think you would need to do?
I would click on number 3. If I click on that, it should take me there.
Give it a try.
Okay. There we go. Perfect. That's what I want to see. Okay, so it's giving me a menu, which is nice. Okay, there's definitely some things here that I would like. Okay. Reviews. I want to look into these reviews more. Okay, perfect. Okay, this is nice because it's giving me a more detailed description of what I could expect as far as the feeling of the bar, the atmosphere. So it's telling me that it's a cosmic bar by the sea. Sounds pretty cool. What's coming to mind for me is like a B-52s type thing.
Okay, cool. And if you wanted to see more reviews, what would you do?
I would scroll down. Usually I could scroll down.
Give it a try.
Okay.
Now, how would you get back? There you go. So use your scroll bar. You have to turn it.
There we go. Sorry, I was doing it the wrong direction. Okay, so as I was saying, I really like the description. That's very cool because then I can go in and know what to expect. So as far as the atmosphere goes. So what are people saying? High-class vegan food, excellent service, very friendly. Okay.
All right.
Great service and atmosphere. Okay. Life line. Knowledge of the trade. Okay. That's good. That's good because I'm seeing also that couples are going there. That's cool.
Right. So if you'd like to go there, and what do you think you would do next?
Okay. So I would go to the directions.
Mm-hmm.
I want to find out how to get there. Okay. Okay.
So this isn't a live direction finder,
Sure.
but does it give you a sense of how you would go there from where your current position is?
Sure. Mm-hmm. Pretty much, yeah. It's telling me the main street that I need to turn on to, and then the road that I would need to get to from there.
Okay, great. Now let's say that you decided, I don't really want to go to Velma's.
Mm-hmm.
How do you think you would get back to the beginning?
Okay, so I would click the search button, and I would go back here. I would say, okay, well, I've been able to check that out. So I'm going to click Hippie again. I want to check out number 1 here.
Okay, now it's the same bar because I put the same link on all 3, but I want you to do something. Go ahead and click on that link.
Okay.
And click on Velma's.
Okay.
And click on Reviews.
Okay.
Now try to scroll down and up, but go the opposite direction you normally go with your scroll bar. And then go back the other way. There. So that is working for you, okay? So if you wanted to go to directions from here, how would you go to directions?
Here.
Okay, great. So I think you understand it, and I'm looking to make improvements to this design. It seems like you got through it pretty well, but that doesn't mean that everything's perfect. So if you don't mind, I would like you to leave me a comment or 2. Or more.
Okay. Okay.
I know why. I just have to plug in the keyboard. Okay, so I'm going to leave you for a few minutes, and you can make a couple of comments or whatever you want. And thank you so much. I really appreciate your help. was going to say, sorry to interrupt, but since this is a large file, I'm going to go ahead and stop the recording. But I still would love you to continue and complete your comments.